Alright, so Brian wants to have these channel bells. Oh shoot, hold on. Hello? Oh, it's up, Chip Kelly. Date with the cheerleaders? That sounds great with me. When? Alright, tomorrow sounds good. Alright, see ya. Alright, anyway, sorry about that. So, Brian wants to have these channel battles or something like that. So, he challenged me to do some funny noise, and then I'll, like, do a funny noise, then I'll challenge him. Alright, so, I'm gonna do a funny noise. Ow, Charlie, that really hurt. I don't know. So, alright. So I'm gonna challenge Brian to do rap a verse of Kanye West, and he has to rap and not sing it, and it actually has to be a verse of Kanye. So here's a verse from Jesus Walk. I ain't here to argue about his facial features or here to convert atheists into believers. I'm just saying the way school needs teachers, the way Catholic needs Regis, that's the way I need Jesus. So here goes my single dog radio needs this. Say you could rap about anything except for Jesus. That means gun, sex, lies, videotapes. But if I talk about God, my record won't get played, huh? Well, let this take away from my spins, which will probably take away from my ends. And I hope this takes away from my sins and bring the day I'm dreaming about. Next time I'm in the club, everybody's screaming out, Jesus, walk. Alright, so there you go, Brian. You're screwed.